Guys, I'm afraid we're in for an early, cold winter. I have a feeling we're really in for it here. And it's in the 30s today, and it's sticking. It's beautiful though. Big, fluffy snowflakes. But it's sticking. I don't like that. I'm not ready. I am not ready for this. Not at all. Oh, look at how big it's coming down, Melanie. It's really coming down. I am not ready for this. We have too much to do yet here. Oh boy. Oh, look at it blowing. We've had flurries all day, but it hasn't been sticking like it is all of a sudden. Michelle's looking at it. You know, Michelle? What do you think? Your first snow that you're aware of?
Snow.
Is it pretty? Huh?
Yes, it's pretty. Pretty, honey.
Well, it's cozy in the house at least. It's 74, 75 degrees in here. Got the wood stove going gently. Well, it's getting more white. It's starting to stick. So, it's starting to come down in nice fluffy flakes now. It's beautiful, but I don't want it right now. I really don't. It's supposed to warm up though in the next couple days. Over here, I did go ahead and close it. Let me go inside. I closed off the entrance so the cats can't get in anymore. I still have to make a window here. I will do that here. There's a lot of stuff I have to do moving forward. So I closed off all the spaces under the windows and in the back on the rafters. I still have to cut close in here with some wood, and look, the wind is gusting and it blew down all my stuff today. So I'm gonna have to, oh, I see the cat got in again. The cat has ripped open the screen in the back, so I'm gonna have to prop that up or staple it. I'll get my stapler and I'll pop a staple in there now. So I'm constantly battling the cats from getting in here. They want to use this as a litter and probably hang out in here because it's nice. So I'm working against that, but we'll get that closed up here soon in the next few days. And we're getting it. Definitely we're getting it. Eventually this will all be done. It's still going to be in the 40s and 50s here and there for the next week or so. So we'll see. Hopefully I will have this closed in before the snow covers the ground for good. But yeah, anyway, that's also, I want to caulk in around the windows, but it's just too wet. It's water soluble caulk, water washable, and that's a problem. Well guys, I just hauled another 18 loads of firewood from out back total from what I had split the other day. It was a total 18 loads. So I just finished that up. You can see the lighter colored wood is all from out back. So we've been replenishing what we're burning up front with dry wood, and then water wood's going out on a fourth pile up behind. As you can see, I've got a good start on number 4, and number 5 is oak, which is going to fill up between these trees here. And I just possibly found a deal where I might get another 10-20 cords of wood. So I'm going to fill up at least this area and then see where I'm going to go from there. So we're not going to suffer this year at all. I'm thinking about making firewood fencing, lining it along the property line here along the front, 4 feet high. I make myself a firewood fence, but that's the last resort if I fill up this area. But it's great that now I'm actually worried about running out of space rather than running out of firewood. And I still have the wood in the middle of the process, so we'll be doing that here. I'm going to start on that right now. But that'll be the oak there. I want it very much separated from the rest. And there's a few in here that are either too short or gnarly, or I can't split apart, that I'll put on top. Well, I hauled and hauled until I'm exhausted. I don't know how many wheelbarrows of oak, but I can't haul as much in the wheelbarrow at a time. But we're getting there. When I get all that done, I'll probably have that across here, a full wall, and then I'll fill it inside with pine. And I'll figure it out as I go. But that's it for today. Look at this, guys. That's oak. That's 2 trailer loads of oak, and I've got a 3rd trailer yet to unload. I'm gonna run the splitter. That's oak. Look at that. Beautiful hardwood for heating our house. So I found a source of a lot of firewood, and I'm going to start hauling it. I work in the mornings off property for somebody, and I work afternoons on firewood, and I think that's how I'm going to run the next few days here and process a whole lot of firewood. Actually, it's probably going to take me a couple weeks to get all that out of there. It's a lot of firewood. Oh, I'm sore. I've worked all day. There's a very nice pile of oak, but it's wet. You can tell by the color. It's aged, but it's wet. So I don't know if that'll burn yet this year or not. Maybe by the end of the season. But I still got one more load. That's 2 trailer loads. I still got another load to split. Alright, there's the small stuff. And there was a little bit of pine in here. Just a little. And then this massive heap of oak. I threw the tree bark in a wheelbarrow because that's going to go to become mulch later. Look at all that oak. Oh, look at that. That's a massive pile. Well, guys, that's it. I'm going to upload this video. This did span 3 days, but I was doing a lot of various things. But this is what I'm going to be doing a lot of in the next days. Bringing home firewood until I get it all done. And I'm hurting real bad. Oh boy, that's hard work. I started at 1:30 this afternoon. And it's now about 6:30. Quite a job. I know some of you can beat me in time, but that's my pace, and I didn't take it easy. I worked hard. Alright guys, Troy from the Do-It-Yourself World and the Off-Grid Project. Using my amazing log splitter. Part of homesteading and self-sufficiency is to provide your own firewood. And we sure are now. Please like, subscribe, and share, and follow our daily videos as we strive to become fully self-sufficient and off the grid on a budget. Good night.